Okay, so short recap of all those things whichever you have learned in the previous lectures. So, student, these are the what is this? Let me ask you. Rohit Shelke.
Yes, sir.
What is there in front of you, Rohit?
Angles.
Oh no, the screen is there in front of you, but what is there?
Sir, square, circle, triangle, rectangle. सर वो लास्ट का क्या है कुछ पता नहीं है.
लास्ट का कुछ पता नहीं है आपको.
यस.
कितने साइड्स है उसको?
हाँ.
कितने साइड्स है कुछ बता सकते हो आप?
3 3
3 साइड्स है. और एंगल्स कितने हैं?
एंगल्स नो.
एंगल्स नहीं पता आपको?
सर पता है.
तो कितने एंगल्स है?
0.
एंगल्स 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 का मतलब क्या होता है वो बताओ पहले मुझे. आपने एंगल्स को पढ़ा ना? यस, देन टेल मी व्हाट इज द एंगल.
एंगल्स.
एंगल्स. और व्हाट इज एन एंगल? फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज दैट.
फर्स्ट.
ये लास्ट वाले फिगर पे आप अटक गए, राइट?
हाँ हाँ.
तो देखो अभी सोचो क्या हो सकती है वो लास्ट वाली फिगर. देखो ऐसी है ना वो फिगर.
हाँ सर ये कौन सा एंगल है?
टेल मी.
सर रुको क्या? एक्यूट एंगल.
नो नो, बट टेल मी व्हाट इज दिस फिगर. आई वांट ये इसका नाम बताओ मुझे.
सर नहीं आ रहा.
रेवा पाटिल. रेवा. What is
यस.
last figure? Yes, Reva. Answer quickly. Otherwise, I'll ask to the another child. Yes, Reva. Aniket Bhandare. Aniket.
Yes.
What do we call this last figure? Okay, no problem, children. This is the last figure is triangle. What is that figure?
Triangle.
Triangle. Okay. What is the meaning of triangle? The figure, the geometrical figure which has 3 angles.
The
If you
angles.
observe this figure very carefully, you will come to know that this figure has 3 angles. Okay, angles. This is one angle, second and third. This is the way this figure is having 3 angles. So the figure which has 3 angles, that is called triangle. Okay, triangle. Triangle means 3 angles wali figure. Tri means 3. Okay, triangle. So children, ऑल दिस फिगर्स, इन सबको हम क्या कहते हैं? आपने हर एक का इंडिविजुअल नाम वहां पे बता दिया. द फर्स्ट इज स्क्वायर, द सेकंड इज सर्कल, थर्ड इज ट्राइंगल, फोर्थ इज रेक्टेंगल एंड फिफ्थ इज आल्सो ट्राइंगल. बट व्हाट डू वी कॉल दिस ऑल टुगेदर? ये सारे क्या है? इनको क्या कहते हैं? इन सारे को क्या कहते हैं? व्हाट डू वी कॉल इट ऑल टुगेदर? नभा सावंत, व्हाट डू वी कॉल देम ऑल टुगेदर? दिस इज द क्वेश्चन. इन सबको हम क्या कहते हैं? नभा सावंत.
Shapes.
Shapes. Very good, Nabha. Shapes or geometrical figures. Okay. So ये तो geometrical figures हो गए. But in that we will be learning about the angles, right? Angles के बारे में आपने already पढ़ चुके हैं. If you observe all these figures here, you will come to know that there are 2 lines or this way. Here is also 2 lines. If you observe this, here is also two lines are there. Okay, and they are meeting at one point. These lines are meeting at one point. See, here these are meeting here, these two lines are meeting here, these lines are meeting here, and these lines are meeting here. After meeting, there is a space in between the two lines. After meeting, there is a space. If you observe it, you will find that here is a space, जगह है, राइट? क्या है वहां पे? जगह है. ये दो लाइंस मिलने के बाद में उनके बीच में एक जगह बनी हुई है, खाली जगह. This is the space, right? And this space, children, this space is called as, okay, one by one we'll be proceeding further. So you'll be thinking that what is an angle? What is an angle? So what is an angle? See here, the space in between two lines that meet, the space in between two lines or surfaces that meet. If two lines are there, suppose for example this is one line and this is another line, these two lines are meeting at this point, right? ये दोनों लाइंस यहाँ मिलने के बाद में इन दोनों के बीच में जो जगह है, ये दोनों लाइंस के बीच में जो खाली जगह, यू कैन कॉल इट दिस खाली जगह, राइट? दिस स्पेस, स्पेस इज कॉल्ड एन एंगल. स्पेस को क्या कहा जाता है? एंगल कहा जाता है. ओके, सो दिस स्पेस is an angle. I hope children you must have understood what is the angle, definition of angle. The space in between the two lines or surfaces that meet. You can find here this is an angle. ये जो है यहाँ पे this is angle. Two lines are meeting at one point and there is angle. Angle, this space in between the two lines, that is angle. In between the two lines, that is angle. Okay, so as per the space occupied by the angles, there are three types of angles. This is revision lecture, so I am going fast children here because we have to cover a lot of things. So as per the space occupied by an angle, there are three types of angles. If you observe all these three figures very carefully, you will find that some angles have occupied very less space, that means this less space, right? Some angles have occupied more space. In this angle, the space occupied is more, and this is angle which is occupied medium space compared with this two, right? So as per the space occupied by an angle, there are three types of angles. सही विचारे, सही. Here are number 1, 2 and 3. These three angles are here. 1, 2, 3. So say which angle is having smaller space?
Third.
Number 1, 2 or 3. Very nice. Say number third is having very smaller space, right? That is the smallest. Now tell me which is the greater space have been occupied in these angles? Which numbers angle? सेकेंड. एब्सोल्युटली. ये जो 2 नंबर वाला है इसने यहाँ पे बहुत ज्यादा स्पेस ऑक्यूपाइड किया है. वेरी गुड. सो एज पर द ऑक्यूपाइड बाय द एंगल्स, देयर आर 3 टाइप्स ऑफ एंगल्स. अगर सपोज एंगल ने बहुत कम स्पेस ऑक्यूपाई किया है तो उसका अलग नाम है. अगर एंगल ने सपोज बहुत ज़्यादा स्पेस ऑक्यूपाई किया है तो उसको अलग नाम है. और अगर एंगल ने मीडियम साइज वाला अगर स्पेस ऑक्यूपाई किया है तो इट हैज़ different name. So what are the names or what are the types of the angles, students? As I said that the space occupied by an angle, there are 3 types of angles. The first one is an acute angle. You all are aware about it, the right angle and obtuse angle. Okay, so an acute angle, the definition of acute angle, the angle which is less than 90 degrees. The angle which is less than 90 degrees is called an acute angle, right? You can find that here are 2 angles in front of you. one is having 40 degrees and one is having 60 degrees, which is less than 90. So these both are an acute angles. Yes, an angle which is less than 90 degrees is called acute angle. Now I would like to show how do we measure the degrees of the angles. See in front of you, students, this is the protractor. This is the protractor in front of you, and this protractor has been used to measure the degrees of the angles. एंगल्स आर मेजर्ड इन डिग्रीज. एंगल्स किस में मेजर किए जाते हैं? डिग्रीज में मेजर किए जाते हैं. एंड दिस प्रोट्रैक्टर we use this protractor to measure the angles of the degrees of the angles. So this is the protractor here. See, an acute angle has been measured. If you observe it very carefully, you will come to know that this acute angle has been measured with the help of protractor, and it is showing here 50. After 50 in middle of this, that means this is 55 degree angle. The angle is showing in between the 50 and 60, that means 55 degrees. This angle is having 55 degrees angles. Next, the next point is here. These are the various examples of acute angles. You can observe it here, which is less than 90 degrees. Here, 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 here. These all are the examples of an acute angles. Now proceeding further, right angle. Second type is what? Right angle. So you will think that an acute angle is less than 90 degrees. So what is right angle? Right angle is an angle which is exactly 90 degrees. Right angle is an angle which is exactly 90 degrees. Not less than 90 degrees, not more than 90 degrees. ना ही 90 डिग्री से कम होता है और ना ही 90 डिग्री से ज्यादा होता है. That is the right angle. You can find here, this is the right angle has shown with the help of the protractor. Exactly this line is showing 90 degrees. See, this line is exactly on 90, correct? This line is exactly on 90. So this is the 90 degree angle, which is called right angle. Yes, so the angle which is exactly 90 degrees is a right angle. Next, you will find these are the examples of right angles in front of you. The laptop, the position of laptop now here, this is the right angle position. The position of this right angle position. The hands of the clock is the right angle position. In right angle, you will find that the both lines are straight to each other. The both lines are straight to each other. After right angle, we learned that there is an obtuse angle, right? An obtuse angle. What is an obtuse angle? The angle which is greater than 90 degrees, called an obtuse angle. Okay, we learn about the acute angle which is less than 90 degrees. We learn about the right angle which is exactly 90 degrees, and now we are learning about an obtuse angle which is more than 90 degrees. 90 degrees से बड़ा होता है. If the angle measures 91 degrees, we will call it obtuse angle. अगर 95 degrees आता है, then we will be calling it an obtuse angle. 120 degrees, an obtuse angle. If angle tells us the degrees 90, then that is the right angle. Okay, now proceeding for an obtuse angle. If you observe this all three angles carefully, you will find that this is 117 degrees, 121 degrees angle, 166 degree angles, right? So all these angles are more than 90 degrees, greater than 90 degrees, right? So all these three angles are the examples of obtuse angles. See here, an obtuse angle has been measured with the help of protractor. It is showing that in between the 110 and 120, that means this is 115 degrees angle, 115 degree angle. So more than 90 degrees, 115 is more than 90 degrees, so that this is the obtuse angle. Yes, students, some examples have given here of obtuse angles. See, the hands of the clock. See here, and this here. These are the examples of obtuse angles. More than 90 degrees, obtuse angle. Now, I said that I'll be asking you some questions here after taking the short recap of all those things, right? So I hope you must have ready for the question answers. Ready, everyone? Show me that you're ready. Show me your thumbs. I am ready. Say loudly, I am ready. Very good. Okay, so let's ready. First question. Goes to Ansh Prajapati. Ansh. Ansh, you are supposed to be very quickly, students. Gargi Durge. Gargi, read out the first question, beta.
What is an angle?
What is an angle? So tell me, what is an angle?
There are three types of angle.
No. What is an angle? What is the definition of angle? We saw that what is an angle. हमने देखा था एंगल किसे कहते हैं.
Yes.
मैंने अभी भी आपको दिखाया था कुछ देर पहले कि एंगल किसे कहते हैं. व्हाट इज एन एंगल?
Yes.
टेल मी दैट.
Right angle.
दीज आर द टाइप्स ऑफ एंगल्स बेटा. एंगल का मतलब क्या होता है? क्विकली, डोंट वेस्ट टाइम. स्तुति झा.
Yes.
स्तुति, what is an angle?
What is? Hello, sir.
Yes, Stuti, I can hear you. Go ahead. What is an angle?
Angle is that where two lines meet.
Two lines meet, or
the surface they meet.
okay, लेकिन एंगल मुझे अभी तक मिला नहीं है. एंगल का मतलब क्या है? आपने बताया दो लाइंस मिलते हैं, सरफेसेस मिलते हैं, और उसके बाद क्या? Very good. You tried, Stuti, very nicely. You are very close to the answer. Yes.
I tried with the protractor. I got 130 degree of obtuse angle.
Very good, beta. But answer this question first. Specifically, what is an angle?
The angle is that where two lines or surface meet.
Okay, so Stuti, you are close to the answer. See, what is angle? Angle means क्या है? Space. Space word को ध्यान में रखना है. Space in between the two lines, those are meeting at one point. Okay. What did I say? What is an angle? An angle
Angle.
between the two lines or surfaces that meet. जगह, खाली जगह मैंने आपको कहा था, राइट, द स्पेस इन बिटवीन द टू लाइंस और सर्फेसेस दैट मीट. सिर्फ लाइंस मिलते हैं उसे एंगल नहीं कहते हैं. उस स्पेस को, दो लाइंस मिलने के बाद में जो स्पेस होता है, सपोज ये एक लाइन है और ये एक लाइन है, ये दो लाइंस यहाँ पे मिल रहे हैं, राइट.
Yes.
तो ये दो लाइन मिलते हैं, उसको एंगल नहीं कहते हैं. द स्पेस, ये वाला जो स्पेस है, खाली जगह दिख रही है ना आपको, ये खाली जगह,
Yes.
खाली जगह को क्या कहा जाता है? एंगल कहा जाता है. वी कॉल दिस ओपन स्पेस इन बिटवीन द टू लाइंस आफ्टर मीटिंग एन एंगल. यस Tuti?
Yes, sir.
The definition of angle,
Yes.
read it now. Repeat the definition of angle.
The space in between two lines or surface that meet is called an angle.
Very good. Now next question. Next question goes to Shabd Jadhav. Shabd Jadhav. Next question. Shabd Jadhav. Swara Vishay. Swara Vishay.
Yes.
Swara, second question.
How many of angles did we learn today?
How many angles, types of angles do we learn today? Yes, answer.
Right angle, acute angle, observable.
Very good. Right angle, an obtuse angle, an acute angle. These three types of angles we learn today. Very good. Faraj Malusare. Number third.
What are the three types of angle?
What are the three types of angles? Very good. Tell me now. Answer the question.
Right angle, obtuse angle. Right angle, obtuse angle. Acute angle.
Very good. Right angle, obtuse angle, and acute angle. Very nice. Mute yourself. Those have unmuted, please mute yourself.